This video tutorial explains how to enter data into the free QR-Code WiFi Access Generator to produce a QR code barcode. The generator creates barcodes that users can scan to automatically connect to an access point. This time-saving Wi-Fi connection process is great for meetings, parties, and other gatherings that require connection to a specific network. Enter the security protocol type for the network. Enter the network name. Enter the password. Select Generate QR Code Image. IDAutomation has many QR code barcode products available for various environments and applications, including products for reporting services, Crystal Reports, Microsoft Office, Visual Studio, Java, and FileMaker. Visit IDAutomation.com for your source for quality symbology.